you that it's time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up, only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up, you know that we going all in. I could never crawl, I ain't got no time at all.
Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlock here, lawabidingbiker.com. Thank you for checking back in. Want to save money, rent your own motorcycle, be part of the #1 online biker community? Every time that subscribe button and bell icon are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We'd like to have you. You're looking at another quality product from Ciro 3D. This is the Horizon LED Windshield Trim, specifically designed for your shark nose fairing. It runs along the bottom of your windshield. It adds additional white light up front when you're running down the road, and of course when you hit your signals, it turns amber. And like all quality Ciro 3D products, it is a plug and play installation. Again, white light while you're running down the road, and when you turn your signal on, it turns amber. Better chance that motorist will see you. And this product is available in chrome or black. And if you appreciate this free video and all the free videos on this channel, you can support us. If you're interested in this product, you can get it right from the Law Abiding Biker store. Link in the description below. We appreciate your support. All right, and with that said, what do you say we get this installed? And although this video is specifically about the shark nose fairing, don't forget we have a full line of Ciro 3D products for all your different makes of Harley-Davidson motorcycles. All right, and just 4 Phillips screws along the top of this windshield on this Road Glide. And that's what he's working on right now. All right, and he's just finishing up the last one there, and we'll get that windshield out of the way. All right, so now he's just gonna lift up and remove this vent system and get that out of the way. Okay, first thing on this Horizon LED windshield trim is there's a little set screw in there, just a Phillips, and he's getting that out of there. And after you have the set screw out, you'll take this back piece off, he'll separate it. Okay, so you can see he has the LED portion of the windshield lighted trim there. And this is our stock signal plug for our shark nose fairing. So he's going to basically separate that. All right, now that he's got it unplugged, that's the Y harness that comes off the lighted windshield trim there. And he's just going to split the stock plug here. It only goes in one way. So he's going right in between there, the two he's unplugged. And if you want to do other Ciro 3D products, they all kind of come with that Y harness, and then you can just daisy chain one after the other to light all your products. And you're just going to let the other portion there just dangle for now, the LED portion. Okay, now they're both plugged in, both sides. We did the same over there. Just turn the bike on and run your signals and stuff. Just make sure before we were to finish the installation here, make sure everything's wired right. And just so you know, these are marked, so you get the right one right, and of course the left one is also marked left. All right, and before we put the windshield and vent back on, you want to just dangle these off the side, and they say leave about 1 inch from the fairing there, 1 inch of wire. That'll give you a little play. All right, and so he's putting the vent back on here. You just first hook it up at the top here, right up under the lip. That's what he's going to do. And then there's some tabs on there that will rock down, and they go right into those spaces there. So again, just put it up front first. You'll get it situated. So this is another product from Ciro 3D. It's just a center windshield trim, chrome or black. It just really tops everything off, and the look, especially because we've also installed the lighted vent there. So that just, we got to put that on first. That's why we're doing that. And then the windshield, he's going to pop right over that. And of course, they're still hanging off the side there. So your kit comes with the rubber sealer that you see in his hand. That's going to go underneath the LED lights there. And then the kit comes with longer windshield screws, so make sure you use those. And you're just getting everything lined up, as you can see, and then lining it up with the stock windshield hold there. And they're just Phillips. Let's get that one started. He's not going to tighten it down yet. That'll allow him to line up the back hole here. And again, longer screw that comes in the kit there. And getting that one started there. All right, and any additional wiring you have hanging out there, you can just push it down in there, and that's what he's doing right now. All right, and you can see he's pushed it back in there. All right, so that side's on. Of course, we haven't tightened anything down yet. You want to leave it loose a little bit, so you can move over to this side. Gives you a little flex so that you can get the windshield holes lined up there. And now you can go around and tighten the windshield bolts down. Not too tight, guys. It is a plastic LED panel. You don't want to crack that. So now we're going to put the chrome accent piece over. In this case, they're also come in black, of course. But you put it over, you want to look for the little hole in the LED light itself there. And there's the set screw we originally took out. So that is what he's lining up now. And just rock it over and he'll get that set screw started. And just a Phillips screwdriver. And now that chrome accent piece is over the top there. All right, and just doing the same to the right side here. Of course, got the chrome accent piece and just putting in the set screw in the rear there. There you go. That's a set of Horizon LED windshield trim installed on a Road Glide. All right, and of course, you got to get all those greasy fingerprints and all that off there. BUGSLIDE, that's right, guys. Our #1 go-to waterless motorcycle cleaner here at Law Abiding Biker Media. Available in our store, lawabidingbiker.com/store. Use it on paint, use it on chrome, use it on your windshield, everywhere, guys, and it puts a nice protective coat on there, so it makes all those bugs and everything else come off easier later. Again, BUGSLIDE.
Uppercut. Tired of hitting the layup. Suited it, time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up. Only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up. You know that we going all in. I could never crawl. I ain't got no time at all. Tired of hitting the layup. Suited it, time to be ballin'. I'ma need you to go pay up. Only be filling my wallet. Speed it up, taking it way up. You know that we going all in. I could never crawl. I ain't got no time at all. You couldn't catch up if you wanted to. I got a new speed and it's on the move. I ain't gotta work no more. Fuck it, I